Hello, Yosef here is our daily report, the 5th of September. The main news today are the Unity guy, Alexei, successfully managed to bake lights on the Unity side and get the scene working. So they passed one complicated task and the others to go in details. We have it on this slide. It's server setup and Unity integration. They are using the bundle of Next.js and Unity. Also, they are using Docker. Over there, it's happened to work only on Docker in this server-side version. And the backend guy, Yura, has been doing refactoring and helping them with the server side. The image you see, it's a final report that the server-side rendering, the baking of lights is working. Also, front-end guy, Vlad, was doing front-end optimization and refactoring. So refactoring is part of the big story. The guys have been demanding refactoring to be sure that the code would be working and will be stable and will not give us any surprises on the later phases of the job we do. Here we see the pull request for select drop-down. So some old pull requests, and it took some time to deal with it to resolve all the merge conflicts. Also, the guy working with a shopping experience, Danilo, have begun the XLS import feature, studying its structure, and also handling through errors. So the long story about this Unity integration on the server together with the Next.js. The task was to do realistic rendering and baking lights on the server. The background process will run and call Unity's class to apply the settings. So the another story is settings. Right now we just check if the scene itself is working. The next questions would be to check how we will change settings, the lights, the textures, and other parameters of the scene. Challenge was we need to design a structure and flow of running the Unity program on the server while the process runs in the background. So the background run is also a challenge. We also need to manage an active states for each running process, possibly storing them in memory. Since Unity processes are resource intensive, we may need to limit the number of running tasks similar to a thread pool. So let's say on the server we will have something like 5 or 10 simultaneously running Unity sessions, and the other users will need to wait. This is for now as for demo version, and before we select the proper server solution and then we will be able to run as many Unity entities as we need. So the update is successful building the scene. Also, the next topic was updating the database. Now we have relevant database structure according to the Yaroslav description, and it should be relevant next 2 months. The challenges that has found on the way is parsing files into pages for the project and interacting with them. Not sure what the task is about, we'll check it. And filtering products, including for saved stores. Also not sure what's the question, and I scheduled a meeting for tomorrow to check with the database guy, Dmitro, what it is about. Saving the state of products in the project. So he encountered these new challenges, the hard tasks we are aiming to tackle on the research phase to be sure that we estimated these tasks right and they will not influence the final estimate of the project. To be continued. See you on the next episode.